Good day, this is Charles Angel Jigger Galicano,
This is Hernani Galicia.
and today we are going to talk about the alcohol metabolism in our body.
And the mechanism of antioxidant in our body.
So, first, the alcohol metabolism questions like how it actually works, how it affects us, and how we metabolize it in our body. So, alcohol absorbs rapidly, it is a water soluble, and can get into your brain within 5 to 6 minutes. So we have here the GIT tract or the gastrointestinal tract. Once we ingest alcohol orally or drink alcohol, it goes to the GIT tract. 20% of it will be absorbed, or approximately 20% of it will be absorbed in the stomach and 80% of it in the small intestine. When the alcohol jumps into the bloodstream via portal vein, it goes to the liver where it will be metabolized predominantly. So in the liver, we have the liver cells, or what we call the hepatocytes. So what is happening inside the hepatocytes or the liver cell? So we have here the ethanol metabolism or alcohol metabolism. Again, this is happening in the hepatocytes. Your ethanol or alcohol will be converted into acetaldehyde by the enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase. And your acetaldehyde will be then converted by the enzyme acetaldehyde dehydrogenase to acetate. This ethanol conversion, or this acetaldehyde conversion from ethanol, is happening into your cytosol of your hepatic cell or your cell. This conversion of acetaldehyde to acetate is happening into the mitochondria of the hepatic cell. So another thing that is happening, your NAD plus is also convert convert to NADH. So that NAD is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide to nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide hydride. Same thing in the acetaldehyde converting to acetate. So increased consumption of ethanol tends to increase the NADH plus and decrease NAD plus, as I have said earlier, NAD to NADH. So what will happen? Decrease gluconeogenesis. Remember that gluconeogenesis is responsible for maintaining the basal level of your glucose in the body. So having it decrease will result to your first symptoms, fasting hypoglycemia. What is hypoglycemia? Hypoglycemia is a low level of glucose in the body. Second, again, because of your increased ethanol, increased NADH, and decreased NAD+, you will have a decreased TCA cycle, or what we call the Krebs cycle. This Krebs cycle is responsible for your energy production, and it will result to ketosis. Why? Because your acetyl-CoA tends to cannot go to or pass through the Krebs cycle. So your acetyl-CoA function for your energy production. So your acetyl-CoA will go to your ketones pathway. So that will result to an increased or high concentration of ketones in our body. That is called ketosis. Another one, increased lactate. So once you increase lactic acidosis. Why? Because your body produces pyruvate to lactate, thinking that your lactate would say, what would another pathway could I use up to eat that excess NADH? So increased ethanol or alcohol consumption, increased lactate, thinking or hoping that lactate can still metabolize the excess NADH in our body. So fasting hypoglycemia, ketosis, increased lactate or lactic acidosis. Next, your acetaldehyde, or once it is converted into acetaldehyde, you will feel headache or hangover because ethanol is converted into acetaldehyde. This can be given a drug called fomepizole. Fomepizole mechanism of action blocks alcohol dehydrogenase. Therefore, once you have given fomepizole, you will no longer have to feel the side effects of hangover. So this fomepizole is given or treatment for methanol or ethylene overdose. This acetate, once your acetaldehyde is converted into acetate, it gives you the sweet odor or fruity-like smell, or more serious side effects compared to acetaldehyde, which is only hangover or headache. The mechanism of action of disulfiram blocks the action of the enzyme acetaldehyde dehydrogenase. So therefore, decreased acetate, increased acetaldehyde. So no more serious side effects, but only the side effects that acetaldehyde will give you, which is the headache. So disulfiram is used to treat for patients or persons who have alcoholism or alcohol use disorder. Next one, the fun facts. Did you know that you will need around 600 grapes to make a bottle of red wine? And the founder of Alcoholics Anonymous is Bill Wilson, demanded alcohol during his final days. So xenosilacophobia is the fear of an empty glass. So this phobia can pertain to glasses lacking in beer, wine, or cocktail. So that would be all for the ethanol metabolism.
So for the mechanism of antioxidants, what is an antioxidant? So antioxidants is a substance that at low concentrations delays or prevent oxidation of a substrate. Next is the importance of antioxidant mechanism is to understand the biological meaning of antioxidants, their possible uses, their production by organic synthesis or biotechnological methods, or for the standardization of determinations of antioxidant activity. So these are the examples of sources of antioxidant, such as purple grapes, white grape, lychee, pear, so on and so forth. So next, so what are free radicals? How it how does it form? So this pictures is about how the free radicals form in our body. So we have here a DNA damage which occur in our body. So our body will expose to UV light, the air pollution, the ionizing radiation, we do smoking or we inhale smoking, the metabolism which is the food that we eat, um the water we drink, and sometimes the drug that we take. And lastly, free radicals can also damage our healthy cells or immune system that may causes a inflammation. So these certain types of oxygen molecules will cause a oxidative damage that form a free radicals. So next, why are antioxidant is really important? So antioxidants are substances that may protect your cells against that may protect our cells against free radicals, which may play a role in a heart disease, cancers, and other diseases. And also antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and carotenoids may help to our protect our cells from damage caused by the free radicals. And other natural occurring antioxidant includes flavonoids, tannins, phenols, and lignans. So for the plant-based foods, our best sources, this includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, herbs, and spices, and even cocoa or the dark chocolate. Because dark chocolate is one of the highest oxygen absorptions that contains an antioxidants. Next, how antioxidants free reduce free radicals. Chemically reactive and paired electron and electron donation. So antioxidant donates an electron to the free radical. That's why the free radical was stable and it becomes a neutralized. So oxidation occurs in conjunction with a chemical process called reduction. Reduction is the process a molecule gains one or more electrons. Therefore, in an oxidation reduction reaction, referred to as a redox reaction, one atom or molecule will transfer an electrons to another molecule. So next, this picture is about antioxidant intake that we take should balance from free radical production. So poor diet can decrease antioxidant defenses and leads to the development of disease. So having a poor nutrition, you don't have enough source of antioxidant that's responsible to fight back to whatever free radicals in your body to fight back against for disease, against the disease really. Next is a healthy diet high in antioxidants can allow excess free radicals to be can to be quenched, and this leads to health. So having a healthy diet or healthy nutrition, you have enough source of antioxidants, you have enough source of antioxidant in your body. And also by avoiding pollution, toxins, illness, and stress can decrease our free radical production and also by improving our health as well. And lastly is increased exposure to pollution, toxins, illness, and stress can increase free radical production and lead to disease. That's why we must have a healthy diet for us to have enough sources of antioxidant in our body. So next is so according to my research, these are the top 10 highest antioxidant rich superfoods with oxygen absorption capacity scores. So these are the list of antioxidant vitamins, which includes the vitamin A, the vitamin C, the vitamin D, which is well-known antioxidant vitamins, and also the vitamin E, the vitamin K, folic acid, which less known antioxidant in our body. So vitamin antioxidant are present in many foods that we eat, and also available in supplemental form. So take note that never rely on supplements to counteract unhealthy and poor nutrition. So next. So for the fun fact, soy sauce contains 10 times the antioxidant of red wine, and also ingesting a cart of soy sauce in one can send you into a coma. Next, blueberries are good for your dog. All antioxidant, fibers, and phytochemicals blueberries boost provide the same benefits for your dog's body that they gives yours. And lastly, it takes 36 apples to create 1 gallon of apple cider. So this is the last of the mechanism of antioxidant.
Hope you learned something from us today. Thank you.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening and have a good day.